On May 8th, we made history when the 5 millionth motorcycle rolled off our assembly line in York, Pennsylvania, and onto the road, ready to carry its new rider to limitless opportunities for adventure and discovery. The story of Harley-Davidson's vehicle operations in York began on the cusp of World War II, when the U.S. Navy commissioned a factory to meet the urgent demand for anti-aircraft guns. In 1973, Harley-Davidson motorcycle production moved from Milwaukee to York, and Ironhead Sportster and Shovelhead FL models filled the production lines. And when a group of Harley-Davidson executives bought the motor company back in 1981, York stayed in the family. Today, workers stamp the sheet metal for tanks and fenders, form and weld our motorcycle frames, apply painted finishes that are the benchmark of the industry, and staff a final assembly line that is the embodiment of our commitment to state-of-the-art manufacturing technology and world-class quality standards. York has changed a lot over the years, evolving to meet the challenges of the times and seize the opportunities ahead. And we're charging forward by bringing Livewire, our first electric motorcycle, to life. It's the first in a line of electric two-wheelers that will lead the electrification of riding and change the future of Harley-Davidson. York is growing, and the majority of Harley-Davidson motorcycles sold worldwide roll off American assembly lines, including every Harley-Davidson motorcycle sold in the United States. 5 million brand new Harley-Davidson motorcycles, 5 million great American freedom machines, and more than 5 million dreams fulfilled. Here's to the next 5 million machines that will carry their riders forward to find their freedom.